Hello, thank you for joining RasPipKr tutorials. I'm Martin Parker, and in this video I'm going to show you how I got this background picture, because this isn't the standard picture that you get with Raspberry Pi OS. I've just switched from Buster. I've had that for a while on my OakPi laptop that I'm currently videoing, screen capturing with on this. But yeah, I've just switched over. I've installed Idle because I like to use that for doing my programming. Simple screen recorder is what I'm using, and how I've did it was by using GIMP. So if I bring that up, and I'll show you how to do it. Oh, that just went off. I'm going to carry on recording either way. Never used to do that with Buster. Might be a slight issue with the latest software version. But basically, like I say, I've already done it. But if you go to Open, and you go to File System, and then go to your USR folder, and then your shared folder, and if you bring this down about here-ish, a little bit more, and there we go, RPD wallpaper. Go into there, and there is this standard picture, so double click that and it'll load in. If you don't have GIMP, the editing software that I'm using here, I do have a video, so if you have a look in my videos on my channel, you will find how to install it and to use it as well. So as you can see, this is quite pale. I'll just make this a bit bigger. And if I zoom in a little, see how the pictures, it's quite palish. Zoom out a little. Yeah, it's a good picture. Well done for Raspberry Pi OS for having that in there. I've not noticed it before in previous versions, but I like to have a look around when I've updated versions. But yeah, how you would change it is if you go to Select All, or you can press Ctrl A, and you see how you get your little matching ants, or whatever you want to call them, around the edge. Click on Colours, and if you just try the invert, it goes a bit too dark, a bit midnight-like, but it is there, but you can't really tell. So if I press Ctrl Z to take it back, go to Colours, and then this time linear invert, that brings it up how I've got it, and I think that looks pretty cool. So yeah, all you need to do then is save it. So if you try and overwrite it, you can't do this. You don't have the permission to do it. So if you go to Export As, and if you go into a folder, so I've put it into my Pictures folder in my home directory, so it's there, our RPI system, but I've added the word inverted onto the end. Click Export, it's going to replace it, it's not an issue, because it's the same thing. Click Export, that's now going to save it in. And I can close that down because I don't need that anymore. And how you get it on is by right clicking on your desktop preferences, and oh, it's popped off again, never mind, I hope it's still recording, otherwise I'm going to feel a wally. Click on the picture and it'll bring up your options. So if I go to the original one, which is that one, so see how it is a bit it's gone again. It is a bit pale, but I do like it. It's got, you know, it's what the Raspberry Pi is about. All these little boards and sensors and stuff, which I think is pretty cool. So that is how you get it. Well, that's what the original one looks like. And now I'm going to go back to mine. I think that's pretty cool, and I can't turn off my video now. Awesome. But it was there when I bring up a window, So let's just bring something up. There we go. Hey, now I can finish my video now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in another one soon. Cheers. Bye.